I am Officer Loper. I am a PO1, which is Police Officer 1, and I have been on the force for 4 years. I've always had the overwhelming need to want to help people, and I found that this was the best avenue to help people. The Maple Bacon Donut. I'm trying to become an instructor for mental health training to try to provide more mental health training to law enforcement. And in my role in that, I would be helping law enforcement with trauma and mental health that comes with the job, but also helping officers to learn how to better handle situations involving someone who has mental health issues. My favorite food, I would have to say, is the seafood boil from the Juicy Crab. It's important because at the end of the day, officers are still human. Just because we put on the badge and uniform, it doesn't change how things affect us. Whenever we're on these calls with, someone who's in distress, someone who's crying over, a family member, we absorb all that. My favorite music has to be a mix between pop and rap. My favorite artist is currently the Kid Leroy. Finding someone to talk to, and it doesn't necessarily have to be another officer. It could be a therapist. It could be, your best friend outside of work. Anyone that you can confide in to get those things off your mind and not bottle them up. My favorite book is The Teledespero. I read it in the 4th grade for the first time, and I've read it 56 times since then. I believe that a good officer is someone who genuinely cares about the problems, someone who actually wants to listen. I also believe that a good police officer does not use the badge to feel like he's greater than the next person. We are still ourselves citizens of Mobile, and we should treat other people the way that we would want to be treated if we was in a police interaction.